Sure.
Hi, good night, everybody. Hi, good night, everybody. Shall not insult the poets in the room. I am not a poet. I used to be a poet. I used to call myself a poet when I used to believe in putting pen to paper. Back when there was the other open that was originally in Nemo's Imograpper Road. Yeah? Hi, you know. And when spoken word and poetry was very celebrated in Trinidad and Woodbrook, especially with Gillian Moore having her thing and Dennis T and St. James Fat That Pussycat and all these different things. But about 2004 or 5, I stopped putting pen to paper because I pretty much fell out with pen and paper due to the technical world and having too much angry bad things to write about. I have books and books and notebooks and pages of poems and songs, trust me, but I just had to give it up because I said to myself, I need to be in a special place to write how I used to write. Otherwise, do you like cricket?
No.
Anybody here like cricket?
No.
Used to like cricket, like how I used to like being a poet, right? Okay, cool. Well then this shouldn't insult anybody, this first little thing. This in about 7 years. So the first one is called Beyond the Boundary. Very short, very quick. What a lovely, lovely Sunday morning this is. Look at people. Wait. Look at people. The overlooking nice today, boy. What we go do, boy? Who we playing today? It don't even matter. It's West Indies. Rally around the West Indies. Rally around the trading players. Rally around the promoters. Rally around the sponsors. Rally around the promo guilds. Nobody wasn't rallying around the St. Lucians, Bajans, Jamaicans, Guyanese, and Puerto Rican people whose stores was burning down in too many people's mall. 6 runs! Fire! Thank you. Any reason. This is very special to me because it's female and she comes from that time when I was in that place. Right? I don't do anything just for any reason. So this is very significant to me. As you all can see by my attire. I am actually 33 years old. Yeah. And this is a very baggy t-shirt compared to what my little brother would be wearing if he was here right now. This is actually a large. As well as my jeans. You get my point, just don't worry yourself. Just follow. Right? I wear this t-shirt on behalf of people like guys who still invest their money and time into things like this. Besides the older heads. I call them middle heads. When we started up this kind of thing when we were age 17, 18, 19, people like Chromatics. Well, all the fighting with the radio over the years, and people like Ataclan and Ozzy and Andy Venture, them guys in their early 30s and late 30s, early 40s, I come here on behalf of those guys. So hopefully, when I do this video, put it up and get them to come and touch it and bring back this kind of vibes, because we need this right now, because people need to speak. Besides just tweeting and Facebooking and Instagramming and hashtagging. I get everything? That's everything. LinkedIn. I can't keep up. My thing was high five and MySpace. It was as simple. Mid 2000s, man. Right? So, that reminds me, the hashtag I know is when in a circle taking a smoke and a man tag you and give you some hash. So, yeah.